Chief Minister has said in the House, has given assurance to the House that there is 100% there is that all officers will work on this. He has informed all officers that you need to crack down on all those people who are selling drugs in coastal belt and also in the interiors. Now drugs have reached interior. So crackdown will come, and you will see in Calangute also there was a small raid. Some foreign nationals were caught. They are buying from somewhere and they are selling it to the tourists who are coming in the coastal belt. So we are serious on drugs, and I strongly feel that this Chief Minister is not only talking, he acts. And people have seen for the last 3 months how many things he has acted on.
This issue.
CRZ issue is what the people are apprehending. Their apprehensions are mostly where Khazan lands are there, they are shown as mangroves. So all these things have to be addressed, and I feel that public consultation is required. Right now public is on one side, the government officers are on one side. So they need to sit together to find out a solution, because these are directions from National Green Tribunal that CZMP map has to come. Then only we can allow you to reconstruct a house, to build a new house within 500 meters of the high tide line. Within 200 also, a fisherman can build his own house, provided CZMP comes out. Coastal Zone Management Plan has to come out, but it has to come out in the way that our locals agree to it.
So in consultation with people.
No, there are apprehensions. I just give you one example. Apprehensions of paddy fields shown as mangrove forest. So those apprehensions has to be addressed. There are other various apprehensions in the minds of the people. Say, I am fully with the people as far as CRZ is concerned. And coastal inhabitants have to benefit, and not the builder lobby or outside hotels. Between 200 and 500 hotels were allowed to come up. Right now they cannot come up because of NGT order. So people have to participate in this plan. But the plan has to be the way the people want, and not the officers want. People have got, the coastal people have got some apprehension that this may lead to opening up of some land for outsiders, builders or all those things. No, it should not happen like that. People have to be consulted. Right now those consultations which are come up on that draft plan, people are saying cancel the draft plan, and when the draft plan is going to come out, before that you consult us. And I strongly stand with the people for that point of theirs, because they are asking suggestion on the draft which is already prepared. The draft which is prepared is not as per the consultation of the people. Who have to be serious are the people. And the representative जे आमकां निवडून दिल्या, whether it is पंचायत member, सरपंच, तुम्ही आता इतलेच सांगा म्हाका, ओल्ड गोवा पंचायत आपलो गार्बेज खंय उडयता व्हरून? आहा तेंचे कडेन ट्रिटमेंट आहा, करता ना, ते व्हरता डांप करता. Every village requires in a similar way. So land which is acquired in binding is for that purpose, and High Court has given us direction to complete this work within 2 years. So आता हे लोकांक जर तर तो प्लांट नाका जाल्यार तेणी हायकोर्टान वचपाचें आनी हायकोर्टान आमकां डायरेक्शन दिवपाचें, करिनाका म्हणून आमी करिना.
तुमचा आमदारच हितून
कित्याक लागून जाय ना, आमदार हॅज टू स्टँड बाय द पीपल. आमदार फ्रॉम इनसायड वॉन्ट्स द प्लांट टू बी डन.
भायल्यान लोकांच्या
No, from heart. Why he wants? Because he knows the problem is become very severe. थिंगा इतल्यो बिल्डिंगी कश्यो येयल्यो, गार्बेज खंय वचप ते. आतां जे लोक येयल्ले ओपोज करपाक, ते प्लांटाचे सायडीक तेणी जी कोणे बिल्डरान बिल्डींग बांदली आनी थिंगाचे लोक रावता ते बिल्डिंगीनी. दे आर एप्रिहेन्शन इज दॅट इट वील स्मेल. आय एम टेलिंग यू इट वील नॉट स्मेल, because our tipping floor will be on the other side. It will be 200 meters away from their building. So they have to only understand one thing, that everybody opposes a garbage plant. If they oppose today, so where will the garbage of all these 5 constituencies go? This is first question. Our plant cannot take all this garbage, because that is why we had stopped Penyam, we had stopped Taligaon, Merse, Santa Cruz, San Andre. हे सगळे आम्ही बॉन केल्ले. इवन ओल्ड गोवाची गार्बेज आमकां येताली बंद केल्ली आमी कशी घेतले आमी आमचे कडेन थिंगा कॅपॅसिटी ना ती ट्रीट करपाक सो पीपल हॅव टू ओपन अप देयर मायंड नाव बॅक अगेन की हो प्लांट जो तर येयना जाल्यार वी आर गोईंग फॉर अ डेड एंड जेन्ना पंचायतीक अंडर पंचायत राज एक्ट पंचायत हॅज गॉट द पावर्स to give licenses for a house or a building or flats or a hotel. They are duty bound to see that the garbage is collected, segregated and treated. So they are collecting garbage but they are dumping garbage. We are bringing solution to that which will treat garbage and electricity is the final product. We will generate power. So it's a solution to their wet waste and dry waste will be bailed out, will be taken to a incinerator which we are identifying where we will put 2 or 3 incinerators. So it will be burnt and again electricity power will be produced. So why people are not understanding that we are building a factory which will cater to the needs of their own surroundings which will remain clean.
इन्सिनेटर खंय आसतलो सर म्हणजे आयडेंटिफाय केला एरिया
No, we are still identifying. I'm just telling you that right now we are spending 22,000 to send it to Karnataka. So why can't we do it over here, which we will generate electricity?